cleaners. If you have a wild water permission slip or West Fest permission slip, please bring them to the H1 admin to be cleared. Again, seniors, please bring your wild water and West Fest permission slips to the H1 admin to be cleared.
Motor housing is clean. Start part 3-2, this Lasko Pedestal Fan cleaning. Time to clean the guards and the blades. So here's the rear grille. It is filthy, so. And the front grille is also filthy as well. But the worst part is the blades. The blades are just a nightmare. So, yeah. So, the signal fan, get this out of the way just to make sure I don't get it wet. Starting out, putting this stuff with the motors. Now, I have the 1 or 2. Yeah, exactly. Oh, that's actually looking better now. All right. Start now. Oh, that's a bit too much. That's a bit of too much pressure. I think I just turned it off. Anyway, clean this up a little bit more here, and a bit more of the. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe this up here. I'll throw it one towel for now. Just go ahead and clean up this all here. This is all really nasty. I'm gonna go ahead and wet the towel and just clean all this off of here. This is actually looking a lot better now. I probably won't get in between the slats because these are really hard to get through, especially with this type of front grille design. I definitely prefer like more of the swirly design like the one that I have at my dad's house. Anyway, that's the front grille. It's not too bad. It's not too great though. Put this up here on the floor, and we'll do the rear as well, doing the rear grille. Wiping this down, of course, as well. It's actually not that bad, but the rear grille does need a bit more. All right, that's looking better now. Put this on the floor as well. Leave that. And here comes the fun part, the blades. Start with the hub. Start with cleaning the hub. And that's looking better now. And catch you guys in the next video. Peace. Perfect. All right.